me back up there a little bit. You don't need to spend a fortune to sound professional. My 3 tips that I'm gonna cover today: affordable mics, video podcasting gear, remote recording or studio. Give your guests, if you have a guest on, give them the choice if they're coming on remote or in house in studio. Give them a choice. That's all anyone really asks for, the choice. Give them the choice. Let's go. Starting with affordable mics. Tip number 1, affordable mics. You don't need to shell out for the top of the line models right here. And I want to share this window too, as I just to talk about mics real fast. We're going to stop this share and share my window here. This mic, it's similar to what I had. Here we go. Bring it on screen here. Similar to what I had. The Audio Technica ATR 2100. I had the 2020, but this is $50. And you don't even need that. Like, most of us have something like this. Like take me bigger again. Have this. Most of us have something like this. There's me, something like that. Take this, walk into a closet. Walk into a closet. If you're coming, you hear me. If you, thank you for listening. Walk into your closet with your phone, and you have perfect audio in there just with your phone. So let's bring back up some other things that I use as well. Keeps going to that one. Next up, I'm gonna go to the next page here. This is actually, I don't know if you can see it in my screen. No, it's because of the vertical format. This is the mic I currently am using right now. This mic right here. Can I make this bigger? Like this mic right here. That's the mic I'm using right now. And it went up a little bit since I last bought it. Maybe $60, $70. It went up just a little bit. And then there's even one more step up that I actually currently have experience with, and that's this Shure MV7X XLR podcast microphone. And this is a great step up from all the others. Once you get going, once you start improving. So the talk microphones, again, start small, start messy, simple, phone even. Use your phone. Then step up to this microphone. Each make gradual increments, and you can sound okay with just a minimal amount of equipment that you use. So moving on to our tip number 2, video podcasting equipment. Switching back forth to between, I can just go full too, and I'm real essentially gonna video. It's there's headphones. I forgot to mention headphones. I just saw that. But one other thing, if you go on video, most podcasts, a lot of podcasts are going video these days, but podcasts started out, and it still is technically a audio platform. You go on Apple Podcasts, all the listeners can get is audio. Now you can go to YouTube and you can see video from there as well. But I'm going to share this. This is the current webcam that I've gotten and used. I have 3 of these right now. The Logitech C920X, and it's a nice wide screen, wide angle lens, HD 1080p. I don't quite do 4K yet. It's just a lot of data, a lot of storage to keep up and have to maintain. But this is the webcam, and this is the current webcam that you see me on with right now. That's like what I'm looking at right here. This is the current webcam that I'm using. This, and this is about the same. This is the same price that I paid for it, essentially. Same price, $50-$60. And I have one more. What's this next one? Oh, this is microphone stuff. So ring light. I have a light. I have a little lamp that's here that's giving me light right directly to light my face up. I have a light. I have a webcam, and I don't use a tripod right now, but I prop it up on my monitor, like right up here, and I look right on top of the monitor, and that's my setup that I have for going live on podcasting. Now, if you see my in-person setup, it's a little bit different. We have mic arms. We have separate 2 microphones each that can sit on tables and chairs, and I have a little audio board that plugs into everything. We have ATEM Mini for video switching if we bring in some more advanced cameras sometimes. But let's just switch back to stop this share because I have no other things to present there, and because I just want to go back to there it is right there. So the third tip, last tip for the day, and each day I'm going to bring you new tips on beginning podcasters for beginners. Each day I'm going to bring you that. The third tip today, I'm going to talk about what the thing I'm most proud of myself for doing, remote recordings tips. And yeah, do both. Do in studio, do remote, because I feel like it just gives the best and most amount of choices. Just you know, if maybe you're you have the distance between you and a guest or someone that you want to talk to. Maybe you want to give the choice of in person or remote. You have to think of one when you go remote and in person. Either way, audio quality on both ends. It's a little harder when you're remote. Internet connection, make sure each has a stable internet connection. Check upload speeds. I was doing this since 2010, 2011 when we had to call producers in the field, making sure they can actually have a good connection before they start streaming games and everything. But just remember, you don't need to, as I say here, you don't need to spend a fortune to sound professional. Focus on the content. Starting a podcast isn't about the gear, it's about the content. Tools amplify your content. As you grow, you get better with equipment each and every day. Just 1% better each day. And if you like this and everything I'm doing, just subscribe to me and my YouTube channel. I'm at Tommy Kenyon 7. Like this video, comment a question that you have for me. I will reach out, reply, make a future video, whatever is needed. My message for you: keep going, keep podcasting, and keep putting your message out there because we're all waiting to hear from you. Thank you for watching today. Stay tuned for tomorrow's 3 tips for brand new tips tomorrow.